tree pose. Probably the most popular or the most common standing balance pose you'll see in a yoga class. The problem is, for a lot of people, it's kind of scary to be in the middle of a room and try to balance on one leg. I think it's a great idea to start a standing balance pose at the wall. This is how you could do tree pose at the wall. You want to be far enough away from the wall that you can place one hand there, okay? Transfer your weight into the leg that's closest to the wall. I always like to encourage just a tiny bend in the standing leg's knee, just so you don't lock that knee. And then you take the opposite leg, the leg that's furthest from the wall, turn that leg out and place the foot somewhere on the standing leg. It's going to depend on your hip, what feels best for you. Some folks like to start still, even with the wall, they like to start with their toes down on the ground. You still have most of your weight on your standing leg. If it's available, maybe you bring that foot further up, placing it somewhere. If you're able to get the toes off the ground, you can feel more stable in this pose by really pressing the foot that's on the leg into the leg, and then pressing that standing leg into the foot. Notice how that gives you a greater sense of stability throughout the pelvis. You can breathe right here, maybe finding a steady gaze. Or if your hand is flat on that wall, maybe you rise up onto the fingertips. Maybe you're there for a bit and thinking, maybe I could actually take my fingers off the wall, even if it's for a second. Guess what? The wall's right there. If you're looking for a little shoulder work here, you could then also bring that opposite arm up. Get a little shoulder work here. And then when you're finished, lower the limbs down and turn around and do all of that on side two. I hope this makes standing balance poses, this particular one is tree pose, a whole lot less scary for you. And I would love to help you work on these kinds of things in person. So reach out and let me know what I can do for you.